So let's go over to where we can actually see my position sizes. We'll go to the same 3-minute chart. Yeah, I bought over here. Happy at first, and then a little scared. When you get let's see, that first one was, okay, not the biggest position. That's 0.1 of Ethereum coin. This one is almost half of a coin, and one coin is $1,570. So that's like a $700-800 position right here. This is like a $200-300 position, I believe. So yeah, when you're, $300 in and you've already got this, you can be not too happy. But if you see where it closed, wicked all the way down here, but still closed up here, that tells me, okay, that tells me it's denying this low price right now, that this might be as low as it's going to get in the foreseeable future. Let's hit a 3-minute. So once I got a confirmation that, yep, it's done wicking down to the lows, I bought in with a much bigger position, which is good. If you start in with a lower position, lose a little bit of money off the bat, and then reposition bigger in a lower, if this higher one, if this guy is losing money up here, it goes down to here, you buy back in the low, then you're pretty much making twice as much when it goes back up. And then if this gets back in the green, you're back up to 3 times. So I'm super happy with the hour chart right now in Ethereum. 3-minute Bitcoin chart is telling me it's trading sideways, so it's building support at this line. It's telling me we're getting ready to go up to 384.20. So unless I get a big confirmation that something like this, okay, you have upwards momentum, and then what we call a confirmation candle right here, big closing down here. That's a big confirmation that we're in a small downward movement. But then right here denies the low, starts building support, so that would be a good entry spot right here. That's a really good confirmation candle that we're shooting up. We could be getting yeah. Okay, can get rid of those. Shoot back over to Ethereum, stay in the 3-minute chart, same thing. Right now we're trading sideways, and if everything goes correctly, hopefully pretty soon we will be getting close to the 1600 range. This is red and could be menacing to some people, but again, it's holding this support line. So for me to be worried at all that this would change into a downward trend, it would have to at least deny that. So if this wick went down to there, I would be like, oh, looks like we're getting ready to go back down into here. Maybe I should be looking to buy some more, or if it went down to like here, I would be cutting losses, which is one of the most important things to do. Stock market doesn't care about your hopes and dreams. If you hope it's going up but telling you it's clearly going down, and you're in the red but hoping maybe you can at least break even, or it doesn't like leave your emotions at the door. Let's see, yeah, 1 hour Ethereum chart is looking great. Let's get the 1 hours next to each other. Now this is what we call a spinning top, spin top. So when you go to the 3 minute, you're like, well, technically it's not really going anywhere, you know, it's staying in this price range pretty consistently. So you back out, you know, it went up here, but it's, you know, so you go into the 1 hour, it's already changed, it's changed so fast, but when the body of the candle, the filled in part, is directly in the middle, like that, right there, spinning top, that means, well, it's anybody's guess. But it really just isn't anybody's guess if you know what to look for. I'm just talking while numbers are moving. I'll go ahead and explain flag pulls and flags. So when you have let's get a better example. I guess this is a pretty good one. Now work with me. When you have these big candles like that, oh, you know what will be better? The hour, for sure. The hour will have some good flag pulls and flags. So let's hide that for a second. Bless you! So let's look at this one. You have a huge, what we call a pull, when you have a really big candle like that. And then the flag is the sideways trading or support building after it. So you have a flag pull, and then it kind of looks, you know, like a flag in the wind. Pull, flag, really awkward, you know. And I guess you could say that pull and then flag ends here, and then you could say this is another pull, I guess. But and then same thing, pretty big pull and flag, just other, you know, going down, not up. It's just some more terms. Yeah, nice. Back to my indicator. So yeah, right now it's very in the middle about whether it wants to go up or down. And pretty much everything is telling me that it's gonna pick up. And I'm gonna go to the 3 minute to get that confirmation, because I'll see that, you know, it's definitely going up or down in this chart. Like, hey, this is probably definitely gonna be a red candle this hour. I'll see that in the 3-minute or the 5-minute or the 15-minute. Just one of these will have a big, like I said earlier, like a wick down to here, or if it closes below that, then it's definitely going back into here. So my hope, hopefully it's pole kind of flag, hoping for that green pole flag. But again, stock market does not care about my hopes and dreams, so if this gives me a really strong going down signal like it's starting to do, I might be let's see what happens if this turns into a green candle, goes up here. Awesome. It's already saying no, get away from, we don't like that price, we want it to go up. It's already saying that. So yeah, hopefully enough people thought that was cheap enough to go ahead and buy in because they're so confident it's going to be way up here. They're like, holy crap, I'll pay this price any day because I know I'll be able to sell it up here. My positions are back here, so what you want is this, where you've already got support above where you bought. That's what you want. When you buy down here and then it trades up here, and even if it goes down, it's still going sideways and up above where you bought, all the way across. It's, even though it's going down right now a little bit, it's still good amount above where you originally bought. Let's look at Ethereum, same thing. I probably wouldn't be worried until it got back down into the, what is that, 1580. I mean, not